In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the portal name in Zoho Books. Whether you're fresh to Zoho Books or a seasoned user, changing your portal name can help refreshing the identity of your business and keep everything aligned with your brand. So let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate over to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage your financial tasks, so it's essential to start there. After reaching your dashboard, your next target is the Settings icon. Typically located at the top corner or side menu of the interface, the Settings option acts like your control center. It is your gateway to customize various features and configurations within Zoho Books. Once inside the Settings section, look for the option labeled Customer Portal. This is where you manage your interactions with clients and modify how your portal appears to them. Ensure you click on it. The Customer Portal page allows you to customize various aspects of how you and your clients interact within Zoho Books. Now that you've landed on the Customer Portal page, focus your attention on the Portal Name section. This is crucial since the portal name is what your clients will see when they log in to interact with services, invoices, and other essential functions. Therefore, you may want to have the right name that reflects your brand's personality and conveys professionalism. To initiate the change, you'll want to click on the Edit button found next to the current portal name. This action will open up a text field, allowing you to type in the new portal name you desire. This is your chance to be creative, yet remain consistent with your brand's tone and style. After entering the new name, it's crucial to secure your changes by clicking the Save button. However, take a moment to double-check the details. Confirm that the new name is spelled correctly and that it captures the essence of what your business or organization stands for. Once satisfied, go ahead and click P. Your journey to revamping your Zoho Books portal is nearly done. There's one more save prompt you'll need to click on, ensuring that all changes are fully committed within the system. This second save is a confirmation step, and clicking it cements the modifications you've made. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your portal name in Zoho Books. By following these clear and concise steps, you've personalized yet another part of your business, ensuring it represents your brand effectively. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to make another change, and remember, keeping your digital presence as polished as your services is a testament to your dedication and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.